It has been just a little over 100 years since the Snyder Act was passed, which afforded citizenship to all Native American people. It is bizarre and rather appalling that President Trump seeks to remove birthright citizenship protections, which are enshrined in the Constitution, in part justifying such an action by saying Native Americans were not citizens for a long time, even though they were born within the boundaries of what is now the United States of America. And I think at this point, he is largely scrambling for legal justifications for an action that is clearly repugnant to the U.S. Constitution and will likely lose that as all of this gets worked out in court. But I think coded within all of this is also an effort to marginalize and even remove from America people of color, even those who are born here. And although it raises this question for Native American people, like, where are they going to deport us to? You know, it's not practical or realistic, but at the same time, it raises great concern and has a lot of Native people worried about whether or not this will be another effort to undermine the long fought for verification and access to opportunity within America, which was built upon the taking of so much from Native people. I am hopeful that such an effort will not succeed, but it's important that we talk about this and not just the legal ramifications or dismissing such actions as bluster, but the way that it affects our citizens of all backgrounds. And we should advocate for, and we deserve so much better. Miigwech.